Welcome back. No, you don't have to be the William Shakespeare of the blogosphere in order to connect with people on the internet. This video is all about how to use ChatGPT to write engaging social media posts today. Make sure you subscribe. I'm going to jump right into it. ChatGPT is the lifestyle right now. And as you can see, I've already posted a request and I said, can you write a 300-word Facebook post announcing a new food truck service for the Miami, Florida area that specializes in custom-made sandwiches and is known for its famous garlic cheese French fries. All right. And quickly, you can see that ChatGPT obliged and wrote this quickly. And it says, "Attention Miami foodies. We are excited to announce the arrival of our new food truck service specializing in custom-made sandwiches." So you can see how well this wonderful application is writing for you so that you can focus on the other tasks in your business. The post, you can tell, will work very well. You could also repurpose it and use it in multiple posts. You don't have to use all the text in one post. It says, "Our sandwiches are made to order with the freshest ingredients and your choice of bread, meat, vegetables, and condiments. We also offer vegetarian and vegan options." Now, you can add your little customized, ad lib, but can't you see how much time this is going to save you? Now, I wrote this continuing the example from the previous video where we were talking about how to use ChatGPT to write your business plan. Make sure you check that video out. So I just want to show you what you could do to now start to tell people about that business you just started. You can also go into a little bit more detail. You can say, well, look, can you write a caption for Instagram for an image of the food truck that is funny and encourages people to share. All right, so now what I'm asking ChatGPT is, can you write a caption for an image that I'm going to post on Instagram about this food truck, and can you make it funny, and can you make it something that people will want to share? Let's see what ChatGPT does for me. It says, "Feeling hungry? Let us be the breadwinner. Our new food truck is serving up custom sandwiches and our famous garlic cheese fries all around Miami. Tag a friend who needs a foodie adventure." Now imagine being a carpenter and finally they invent the skill saw. That's what I'm referring to ChatGPT as. It's like the skill saw for entrepreneurs and marketers. Now you have this powerful tool that's going to allow you to do so much more. So you can already see the sky's the limit. So what if I go back and I say, well, listen, can you write a short tweet that will grab attention and announce the food truck to the Twitter audience in a engaging way? Engaging? How do you spell that? Wait, let's see what it does. Can you write a short tweet that will grab attention and announce the food truck to the Twitter audience in an engaging way? Let's see what ChatGPT does for us. Here's the text that you will be spending all of your time trying to figure out, you got 10,000 things to do and you got to get 25 social media posts out, and you know, do you have time to even talk to the people that maybe you outsource the work to? Wouldn't it be so much easier to go directly to the robot? Here's the post it gave me. This is the tweet. Move over boring fast food. Our new food truck is bringing the flavor to Miami. Custom sandwiches, vegan options, and garlic cheese fries. Notice the robot put the garlic cheese fries in caps. And it gives a call to action. Follow us for daily specials and truck locations. It also it adds the hashtags food truck and Miami foodie. Does this for you. So now, can't you see how you'll be able to write blog posts using ChatGPT? Make sure you subscribe. Go to howwhy.ai. It's all about how to grow your business with AI. You're going to get all of the plans. So far, I've shared how to use ChatGPT to write a business plan for you. That's already live. So click that link and get that information. This is the video where I'm talking about social media posts. Now I'm going to give you one last example, because when you're talking about writing social media posts, you're primarily talking about the text-based platforms. So let's do something for LinkedIn. Can you write a post for the LinkedIn professional audience that mentions the benefits of buying from the food truck? All right, let's see if that's enough of a prompt. I can probably add a little more. Can you write a post for the LinkedIn professional audience that mentions the benefits of buying from the food truck? Something a little bit different for the LinkedIn crowd. Let's see what ChatGPT does. Remember, it's not what you say, it's how you say it, and who you're speaking to determines how you say it. When you're talking on LinkedIn, it's different than when you're talking on Twitter, the land of toxicity. So here's what we get. Attention professionals in the Miami area, our new food truck is offering a quick and delicious solution for your lunch breaks. This is how you use ChatGPT to write social media posts. I've given you some excellent examples right here, and I'll give you many more. You can get my email if you have questions. Subscribe at howwhy.ai, and you'll also get free reports. There's 2 free reports that I'm going to send you. 12 businesses to start with AI today, and 31 AI apps to use in your business now. This is an excellent resource. You can use this and tweak the results, customize them a little bit with your flavor. Obviously, your food truck may not be selling garlic cheese fries. Post in the comments if you would like to try a huge platter of garlic cheese fries. All right. Thank you for checking out this video. Make sure you share it with people that you used to talk to daily. Until the next time, peace.